Today's farmers are dealing with many challenges. What would it look like if we could tackle these challenges and make greenhouses more efficient? Can you imagine? Having a perfect custom-made robotized solution for any greenhouse. An automated system for the collecting of valuable data. A system which detects diseases with the precision of a bee in the chase for nectar. What if we could analyze data with machine learning software? Do you see? It is getting smarter. And what if the farmer could easily get access to the results with all the information you need? That sounds pretty cool, right? This is already possible, and there is much more to come. By innovating like we do today and staying ahead of the newest technology, we will revolutionize the agriculture. ADI. Join the revolution.